Hello everyone, my name is Sami Akhtar and in this video I'm going to show you one of our client who sells for close to 2.5 million USD every year. Now I'm going to show you how we are going to structure their retargeting campaigns, their display ads, their brand protection campaigns, and in the second part I'm also going to show you how we are going to create their omnipresence strategy, because they are right now at a position where their brand needs to protect their products. So I'm going to show you some strategies. Now I cannot disclose the brand name with you or products with you or title whatsoever, but I am going to show you how much they did and what are their projections. So just stay till the end to see the strategies. So you can see the sales is close to 2.4 million USD. Let's assume it 2.5 million USD. Here you can see the sales are 2.5 million dollars. Now let me show you their advertising spend. Current sales are around $300,000 per month, and here you can see these are their ad spend. Let me just refresh it once. So they're spending on monthly basis around 10,000 USD, 10,000 to $11,000, and their tacos is close to 3.9%. 3.9% is their tacos, which is good. So they have a lot more room for branding right now. Now let me tell you what they are doing. You can see the ACOS is also really good. Now let me tell you what we did. So what we did is, first of all, we started to deep dive into the branding part and protection part and the retargeting part. Now what we did, we advised them to create that we will be creating few campaigns. Our first campaign we did, before creating campaign, what we did is we analyzed their brand analytics report, that is their market basket analysis, to check that what are the frequently bought together products with their top selling products. Now that is necessary. If you see there's a related products, then those are the products you need to target, because you are losing a lot of market share there. So this report is very necessary if you want to target and go deep into branding and protection and those protection campaigns. Market basket analysis, then the remaining is the item comparison and alternate purchase behavior. Now why alternate purchase behavior is so important? Because you need to know how much percentage of your customer are purchasing your competitor's product. Now why they are purchasing, you have to find the reason, and then that is how you can create your retargeting campaigns or product targeting campaigns or brand protection campaigns. So these are few metrics that we have to look for before creating those campaign structure. Now let me give you a quick glimpse of what are the campaigns we have created. The first, we identify through their business report what are their top selling products based on their particular niche. What are their top selling products? We found that. After finding that, what we did, we make sure that those products are protected. Now how we did it, for first campaign that we created with the top selling products in the catalog, by looking at the last 60 days conversion and sales, and we identified the AA signs. Here you can see the AA signs are hidden because we don't want to disclose this. And this AA signs, we ran retargeting campaigns. Now how retargeting campaigns worked, these are simple display ads that we have created, where we have chosen audience targeting and optimized for conversion, where we have chosen the advertised product. So you get an option, you can choose advertised product, or you can also choose related to advertised product. That means your competitors who are running advertisement. Now that was the first retargeting campaign that every product has to be in. Every product has to have that campaign. Now we did that for the top selling AA signs under the same niche, so that the products that are shown are similar. The next campaign that we created is second display ads campaign, where we created display ads, but now this time we chose product targeting. Now in this, we have chosen the top selling AA signs, and we are showing products to advertise as the top selling products, and where we want to show is the top selling AA signs, and which products we want to show are those same AA signs. That is how we are covering the same space. And you know, the ads that come below the buy box, below the bullet points, or at top of the title, those are the spaces we want to take with the top selling AA signs of our own products. So we're covering up maximum space in our listing with our own products, which are already proven to get more sales. The next campaign that we created The next campaign we created is by looking at the market basket analysis. We have calculated, and also by looking at helium test frequently bought together, we have analyzed that there are a few products which are bought together with our own products which belong to our own catalog. Now in this, we chosen display ads, not display ads, we have chosen sponsored products, product targeting ads. And in this, the products that we have chosen, or the ads that where you can choose your own products, we have chosen as the top selling products of ours. We targeted the related products. That means now in our product listing, all the related products will also take up some space. So that is how we are trying to cover up some spaces where our competitors were being shown. Now they are not being shown, and our products, our related products are shown, which are from our own catalog. Now next is, now this is for normal campaigns that we created in. Then we also started to create omnipresence campaigns. That is how this omnipresence strategy works is you have to first identify what are the top keywords where your listing is converting, where your listing is organically ranked in the first page. If it is ranked in the first page and it is relevant, the keyword is relevant, then you need to push more ads to it. Now what we did, we ran headline spotlight ads, the store spotlight ads, those kind of things, and we use custom image. Now what custom image does in mobiles, if you have seen, custom image takes the maximum space in the top, a big image. We use that. Then for those keywords, now you will get 20-30 keywords which are relevant and in which your keywords are ranked in the first page. Then we chose obviously sponsored ads, sponsored product ads targeting those keywords. Next comes your video ads. Now if you are looking at video ads, you know video ads take 2 spots in the ranking. One comes the video, then comes the listing itself. So like 20-30% of the screen the video ad is taking. Then comes the organic listing, which we know that our product is coming on the organic first page. That is why we are targeting so hard in it. So this is how you need to do the omnipresence strategy. Now your product which are top selling, which is generating close to 5,000 to 10,000 USD, these products. Now on the outside, on the search result, your product is completely protected. Almost 80 to 90% positions or space is taken by your product, your brand. Then comes on the product listing, where from the top to the bottom, maximum of your products are covered by either your products or your related products from your catalog. All are top selling and high converting, which are proven. Next thing, before even doing this, you have to make sure that your A+ content, you are cross-selling your products, your other products, which you're running as ads as well, which you're targeting to the same listing. You get that module in A+ content where you can put ASINs, and those ASINs becomes clickable products in your A+ content. That is a module that you have to use the same ASINs that you're retargeting, put it there so that the listing remains relevant, and that is how you have to do it. Also now brand story is option where it provides clickable images. Now make sure to use that if you're not using that to get some extra traffic. Now that's it. That was a quick case study of one of our clients who is doing close to 2.5 million USD every year. Now their projected revenue, they're targeting to cross 4 million USD this year. So that's it for this video. I'll see you again in the next video. I hope you'd like this type of videos.